do I think I need you here? I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity,
welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Wavymyhair. This is the package that we're working with. Open it, and you know, it just has some info in terms of their social media inside of the box as you open it, and I'm seeing the wig as well. So before we get into that, ooh, they sent me a pack of press-ons, and that's really cute. It's like a nice little black set with like snow on it, snowflakes. So that's cute. I got this thank you card also. Yeah. And then I got a pair of wig caps. And then lastly in the box, I got this edge brush and comb. Alright, today's wig that we're working with, this is the Wavymyhair Lace Wear and Go Dome Cap Glueless 4x6 lace closure wig, and it's a body wave texture as you can see, and this is 180% in density, they say, but honestly it feels like more. It is also 28 inches long, guys. 28 inches of all this goodness. It's so full right to the tip of the hair. I love it. Of course 28 inches when stretched, okay? So as I said, it's a 4x6 lace closure wig. I feel like the things that stand out most for this wig is the fact that this is a glueless. You know, glueless wigs are trending right now, and this is basically like a, you know, throw on 3-second and go type of install, because it's glueless and it is already pre-cut for you. You understand? It's also pre-plucked, and it looks really natural, and it is very flat. I must say it is very flat, so that really adds to that nice realistic look. I love that. So I don't know if you guys can see, but that's how it looks at the hairline. Closure wigs are so easy, like to just really throw on and go these days. These are the new throw on and goes because they make them super flat now, and it's just like really convenient to have, and you just look slayed as if you went to the salon. So this is how the inside looks. You see how wide it is. It's a very nice wide coverage for a closure wig, so I do love that. It's a dome cap construction, as I said before, so that's how the inside looks. It's very nice and standard. There are no clips, no combs, so you don't have to deal with that discomfort. I know for some people they don't like combs inside of the wig. Sometimes if they do get it in there, they'll take it out. You know, the only thing that's in here is like an adjustable elastic band, which I'm pretty sure will make the wig very secure in your head. As you can see, this is the adjustable portion, so you could go ahead and just make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. And yeah, it's a very nice and clean standard construction, so I love that. And the hair does feel good. It's very silky, very soft, and you know, classic body wave texture as I showed you. So now that I showed you guys all of that, look at that bounce. That movement is gorgeous. All right, now that I showed you guys all of that, let me go ahead and slip this on for you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little bit more a little tighter, because I love when my wigs are nice and snug, not to the point where it's hurting my head, but just nice and snugged. Wow. Okay, so it kind of just, it's so flat. Honestly, you guys know I've been working with glueless wigs a lot since recently, right? And they're also amazing. Every single, I can't tell you, like, the companies, them stepping out. Okay? Alright. Guys, it's so snugged on my head. Like, so snugged. Like, when I tell you, you don't have to worry about, I'm just kind of getting the hair together at the top here, but you don't have to worry about, like, the lace lifting up at all. It is so flat. Now I'm pretty sure you can see a little bit of a cast. Oh, the lace is also HD. Alright, now I'm pretty sure you can see like a little bit of the cast from the lace there. So what I'm gonna do is just spray a little of my, like a little bit of lace tint on it. You could use makeup, you know, like your face powder to kind of mute that down. Because remember, we're keeping it glueless. Alright, so bring a little tint. And that will make everything look really nice and very undetectable. Oh, oh my god. Guys, that is so undetectable. Jeez, I'm so happy. It warms my heart when I can really genuinely give you guys like bomb wigs like this. Like, this is bomb. Like, nothing I do to this yet. Nothing at all. All I did was, and oh, I'm just showing you guys the rest of the hair. I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited, guys. No glue, no spray, no nothing. What? No baby hairs needed? Like, legit, no baby hairs needed. Like, you don't need, it's optional. Like, wow, wow, wow. Stunning. Stunning. Guys, look, look. Yeah? Yeah. It's perfect. Wavymyhair, they're not wasting no time. Yeah, I think this is your wig for vacation. I mean, if you don't mind a body wave texture, like you're going for a body wave texture, but you can't deal with the ear portion, like, you know, usually wearing a lace front wig for long periods of time, sometimes the first part that starts lifting, like, you know, after just wearing it for a while, is like the ear portion. At least I know for me, that's where it always starts lifting. You don't have to deal with that. That's why I feel like a lot of people love lace closures as well. The mid portion is glueless, and it looks like this. Girl, get it. This is your wig. It's so professionally done. It's so neat. It's so neat. It's so neat. It's so neat. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna refresh like just the, but I don't even think so. Like, it looks so good. Like, it looks so good. It don't even, like, the curls look so good, and it's so full. Yes, inches. All I'm gonna do is get the top like really flat. I'm just gonna get the top really flat. So what I'm gonna do is get my wax stick and like go through the top portion here and just lay it down super flat, because as you can see, maybe, you know, from it just being in the package, it's a little like ruffled. So I'm just gonna get it like super flat up top, and that's gonna be it. That's it.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of.
Bear in mind as well, guys, you could do a center part. You could do a side part with this if you want. Okay, because it's nice and wide for the closure. You could definitely do a side part with it.
For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna
So let me just start out by saying once more, like, I'm finished. As I said, 3 seconds, throw on and go kind of wig. Alright, so yeah, it's laying super flat. Now you know how a lot of times when you put on a closure wig, you'll have the little bumps right here. This is completely flat. Let me show you. You could go ahead and put it behind your ear or the other ear. Put it behind both ears. Look at that. You know, usually hair would be a little lumpy, pushing it out. No. It's so flat. And me, if you know me, I love pushing my hair behind my ears. So, look at that. So realistic. And the hair is very true to length. It's very full. I am in love. Shedding is on a minimal as well. Wavymyhair, oh my gosh, this is the second time I'm getting a wig from them, and honestly, truly 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I'm going to be putting the direct link to this wig in my description box, so I need you guys to check it out, okay? Alright, the specifications, everything will be listed. It is so true to length. The lace is beautiful. The versatility of this wig is amazing. I love it. Like, it lays so flat, and there's absolutely no product. No product. Nothing to hold it down. Let me know what you guys think, guys. Let me know what you think. Yeah, as I said, just check out the description box. That is it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a like and share and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just well, wig up with yourself. Bye.